Today, we're tackling a huge paradox in science, Plato's surprising role in physics.
I mean, seriously, how does a guy who hated experiments become a hero of physics? It makes no sense.
His whole method was pure reason, the complete opposite of how we do science today.
To get it, you first have to see the world through his eyes. And it's a weird view.
He thought the science of his time was just messy. It relied on our flawed senses and missed the big picture. See, he wasn't just asking how things work. He was asking a much deeper question, why?
His solution was pretty wild. Just ignore the physical world. And this led to a massive idea.
Which brings us to his most famous concept, this idea of a world of perfect forms.
He said, true reality isn't what we see. It's a perfect, timeless realm of pure ideas.
Think of it this way, everything physical is just an imperfect copy of the real, perfect version. This means perfect math is actually more real than the chair you're sitting on.
He was so sure about this, this was literally written over the door to his school. No geometry, no entry.
So, okay, how do you build an entire universe out of this idea?
Well, he imagined a kind of cosmic craftsman, the demiurge, who brought order to chaos.
And what were his tools? Geometry and math, using those perfect forms as blueprints.
He even assigned a perfect geometric solid to each of the 4 classical elements.
And that fifth solid? Well, that was the shape of the entire universe.
And here's the kicker, an object's behavior is all down to its geometric shape.
So let's talk legacy, because, spoiler alert, his specific theories were pretty wrong.
Yeah, this whole elements are made of solids thing, totally off. So why do we care?
Because of this idea, that the universe has a hidden mathematical order we can understand.
And you can trace that single idea all the way down through history, right to Galileo and beyond.
Now, to be fair, his hatred of experiments definitely held science back in some ways.
But that core belief that nature is rational is the absolute foundation of modern physics.
Which leaves us with a massive question that physicists are still fighting about today.